Today we are making guilt-free, chocolatey and nutritious ragi whole wheat pancakes. We start by adding half a cup of ragi flour and half a cup of whole wheat flour to a mixing bowl. Add half a cup of jaggery powder, followed by cocoa powder, baking soda and baking powder. Then we are adding 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. For richness and softness, we are adding here 1 tablespoon of aromatic A2 Gir cow ghee. Now slowly adding 200 ml of hot milk while gently whisking the batter. Just whisk until everything is fully incorporated. The batter should be smooth, thick and pourable in consistency. Cook on low medium flame until bubbles start appearing on the surface. Then gently flip and cook on the other side evenly. Once cooked, the pancakes should be soft and evenly cooked on both the sides. Enjoy your ragi pancakes, fresh and fluffy. Arrange the pancakes on a plate, add some fresh sliced strawberries and banana slices. Finish with a drizzle of hazelnut spread or syrup of your choice. These pancakes are perfect for breakfast or whenever you are craving something sweet yet wholesome. Tag your breakfast buddy and follow for more easy, healthy, and wholesome recipes.